Jai Sriman Narayana.
Jai Sriman Narayana.
29th sloka of first chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Sidanti mama gatrani mukhancha परिशुष्यति वेपधुश्च शरीरे मे रोमहर्षश्च जायते Om. The message of this sloka is: do not get anxious, which will result in very bad effects in your body. While taking care of your own duty, do not get anxious. And also Sri Krishna Paramatma gives a final message in 18th chapter saying that, "Oh my dear child, surrender to me alone, I shall take care of you. Mamekam Saranam Vraja." Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Sriman Narayana, I shall not get anxious in taking care of my own duty. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहावा पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Bali Chakravarti saying to Sukracharya like this, "O Gurudeva, Bhudevi says, I can take any amount of heavy weights, but I cannot bear the one who lies. I cannot bear the one who speaks asatyam. That is why I cannot become an asatyavadi. O Acharya, I cannot cheat this Brahmana. Naham bibhemi nirayat, I am not scared of hell. Na adhavyat, I am not scared of poverty. Asukha arnavat, I am not scared even if I am drowning in the ocean of grief. Na sthanachyavanat, I am not scared even if I am going to be totally losing my position. Mrutyoho, even if there is death for me, I am not scared of that. But viprapralambhanat, I am scared from breaking the promise that I gave to one Brahmana. I cannot cheat Brahmana. O Acharya, in this world, all this wealth and everything, the moment we leave the body, all the wealth will leave us. Nothing will come along with us. You know this very well. So all these properties, all this wealth will definitely go away from us at any time. That is why while we are living on this earth, I feel it is better if our wealth will become useful to one Brahmana. I feel that is lot better. Like that, Bali Chakravarti saying to Sukracharya. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Kundamala Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 1st chapter, 29th sloka. Sidanti Mamagatrani Mukhancha Parisushyati Vepadhuscha Sirire me Romaharshascha Jayate. Sidanti Mamagatrani Mukhancha Parisushyati Vepadhuscha Sirire me Romaharshascha Jayate. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.